Okay, student, this is the sixth part of trigonometrical equations. Today also I am going to explain some different types of problems. Before that, I want to explain an important situation. Problems based on extreme values of sin x and cos x. Sin x value is lies between -1 to 1, any x. Cos x also lies between -1 to 1 for any x. For example, sin x equal to 2. What is the value of theta means you can say that x belongs to empty set. Because sin theta should be lies between -1 to 1. So, it is not equal to any value of x, sin x should be lies between -1 to 1 and never equal to 2. That is why what I can say it is empty set. What is the meaning of that? So, what I did here, I solved the problem by using the extreme values of sin function. Sin lies between -1 to 1. So, these all values are -1 to 1 not equal to 2 means what the meaning of that? This equation does not have any solution. Like that we need to some problems based on this manner. Okay. First example, sin theta equal to x plus 1 by x. Find theta. Interesting problem, important model nana. See here, LHS is sin theta belongs to -1 to 1. What is the meaning of that? Whatever be theta, LHS is -1 to 1. If your RHS also lies between -1 to 1 or in the part of -1 to 1, you can find the theta. Your LHS is either greater than 1 or less than -1, you can't find theta. Okay. Observe, consider x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x by 2 greater than or equal to root over x into 1 by x if x greater than 0. So, what is the meaning of that? X plus 1 by x is always greater than 2 for x greater than 0. X plus 1 by x lesser than or equal to -2 for x less than 0. We know this concept. What is the meaning of that? That is RHS is either greater than or equal to 2 or lesser than or equal to -2. But any value greater than or equal to does not belongs to -1 to 1. Any value lesser than or -2 does not belong to -1 to 1. What is the meaning of that? This value is 2 or more than 2 or -2 or less than -2. But this value lies between -1 to 1. What is the meaning of that? LHS is never equal to RHS. Any value of theta, LHS not equal to RHS. What is the meaning of that? Theta belongs to empty set, or another way you can say that no solution. So, in this way you can complete that. For example, example 2 is given as solve sin theta plus cos theta equal to some 2. Don't confuse. Okay. Here also actually for this problem also no solution. I will show you students. Try to make LHS into a single trigonometric ratio. Sin theta plus or do one thing. No? Direct you can say the answer, no? Because the minimum value of this expression is -√2, maximum is √2. You know the process. The meaning of that, the sin theta plus cos theta lies between -√2 to √2. To the value is not between -√2 to √2 means no solution. Directly you can say an objective question directly by observing this or by seeing this question you can say that there is no solution. Okay. But you want the procedure, I will explain now. Divide both the sides by root over 1 plus 1, root over a square plus b square, 1 by √2 sin theta plus 1 by √2 cos theta equal to 2 by √2. Okay, this is cos 45 degree into sin theta. Okay, both I want cos, whatever it may be, leave it, no problem. Sin 45 into cos theta equal to √2. Yeah, sin of theta plus 45 equal to √2. Observe na, this value is always rise between -1 to 1 only. This value is √2. √2 is 1 point something, means LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS for any theta, for any theta. What is the meaning of that? No solution. Here only you can see the answer directly, because you know that sin theta plus cos theta, for example, I will write that also. A cos theta plus B sin theta plus C given. Minimum value is C minus root over A square plus B square. Maxi is C plus root over A square plus B square. Here C not there, C 0 means minimum root 2 and maximum plus root 2. So root 2 value should lies between minus root 2 and root 2. What is the meaning is that the equation doesn't have any solution, no solution. Important model nana. Yeah, x plus y equal to 2 pi by 3. We want to find x and y values, means you want one more relation between x and y. That we will get from second equation. What is second equation? Cos x plus cos y equal to root 3 by 2. So here I want to use transformations, cos c minus cos d, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. So 2 into cos of x plus y means 2 pi by 3 by 2 means what is that? Pi by 3 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. Since x plus y equal to 2 pi by 3, I substituted that one. 2 to get cancelled, you get pi by 3. 2 into cos pi by 3 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. Half get cancelled. So cos of x minus y by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. Or x minus y by 2 equal to 2n pi plus or minus, what is the principal solution? Pi by, this is 30, no, pi by 6. So I will write in next page. So what you got? X plus y is given as 2 pi by 3. Now just we got x minus y by 2 equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. I want cross check. Pi by 6, okay, pi by 6. I want x only, x minus y equal to 4n pi plus or minus pi by 3. This is first equation, this is second equation. Add them, directly get x value now. While adding y get cancelled, 2x equal to 4n pi plus or minus pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. But I want x only, x equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3. This is the x value. Okay. Sorry. This is the x value. Next y value want. To find y value, do one thing. 1 minus 2. Here minus, here plus, here minus, here minus or plus. So what happened? X get cancelled, get 2y. 2y equal to 2 pi by 3. So better 2, write 2 minus 1. Okay, I will write now. That will not be a problem. Any method you can use 2. If you subtract 2 minus, you will get okay, directly I will write the 2y equal to 2 pi by 3 minus, here minus plus minus minus or plus. Okay. What happened? X is 2y equal to minus 4n pi minus or plus pi by 3. I want y equal to pi by 3 minus 2n pi minus or plus pi by 6. This is the value of y. So for n belongs to z. So important thing, students, here same n, don't think the different n's. Same n. If n is taken as 0, here you should take 0, here should take 0, you get corresponding xy values. N is equal to 1 and here you get corresponding x and y values. So this is the answer for the problem. Okay, for example, problem is only given objective type, not general solution. So So we no need to do all these things directly. Here you can do, students listen, one of the principal solution you want right here, x minus y by 2 equal to, this is pi by 6, principal solution, pi by 6 means 30, yeah, cos 30 is okay, 2 1s are 2 3s are, what I can say, x minus y equal to pi by 3 and x plus y equal to 2 pi by 3, add them, 2x equal addition of these two, that is pi only, so x equal to pi by 2, so x value is equal to pi by 2, substitute the x value here, you get y value, okay. Yeah, so y is equal actually 2 pi by 3 minus x, 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2, 6 LCM 4 pi minus 3 pi, that is equal to pi by 6. Therefore, what I can say, x comma y equal to pi by 2 comma pi by 6. So this is the one of the solution, not a general. What you want general solution, you need to use this comma, this ordered pair comma, this. Here you take plus here, you need to take minus here. You want to take minus here, you need to take plus. Whatever you get, those are the solutions for this problem. But in object type, sometimes they will ask only one solution, which is in between 0 to 2 pi. So what I can say that pi by 2 comma pi by 6 is the solution for the problem. Okay. Okay, students. For same problem is given like this. Observe. Instead of root 3 by 2, only 3 by 2 given. For example, how to solve I will explain. X plus y equal to 2 pi by 3. Leave it. And cos x plus cos y equal to 3 by 2. Do one thing, substitute directly. Cos x into cos, instead of y, what I can write, 2 pi by 3 minus x I can write equal to 3 by 2. So cos x plus cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b equal to 3 by 2, students. Now I want to find the value of cos of 120 degree, cos of 90 plus 30 minus sin 30 minus 1 by 2. Instead of this I can write minus 1 by 2. So cos x as it is minus 1 by 2 into cos x. Yeah, sin 120 I want here, sin, here cos you will get minus root plus, okay, plus root 2 by 2, okay, plus root 3 by 2 into sin x equal to 3 by 2. So 1 minus half means half only, half cos x plus root 3 by 2 into sin x equal to 3 by 2. Okay, students. After this, so I will write here only. Yeah, students, listen. Instead of this 1 by 2, I can write cos 60 pi by 3 into cos x plus sin pi by 3 into sin x equal to 3 by 2. So cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos of a minus b, cos of x minus pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. No, here you can say that, there is no solution, because cos of something lies between minus 1 to 1, but this value is greater than 1, no? 3 by 2 means 1 point something. No? I will write 3 by 2 is greater than 1. That is RHS is greater than 1 and LHS must less than 1, and also lies between minus 1 to 1. Okay, LHS must correct, lies between minus 1 to 1. What is the meaning of that? Those two are not equal. Means there is no x, there is no y. What I can say? No solution. No, here root 3 by 2 means we got solutions. Just 3 by 2 given instead of root 3 by 2, no solution. Okay. Find the solution set of this. I want to write question again. Tan 2x minus tan x by 1 plus tan 2x into tan x should be equal to 1. So important question, students, important model this one also, because the problem is fully depend upon conditions. Tan 2x should define, tan x should define. Okay, what the meaning of that? X comma 2x should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Because for these values of x and 2x, tan won't define, that's why. So this is first equation. So first equation becomes, first equation in the form of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, that is tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b equal to 1. Means what is the meaning of that? Tan x equal to 1. Okay, what you can say on here? X is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha means pi by 4, where n belongs to z. Okay, so what happened? Most of the students will write this is the answer for the problem, but this is not answer for the problem. Why? That is important. Okay, x equal n pi plus pi by 4 will satisfy. Tan x satisfy. Tan x satisfy, but tan 2x won't satisfy. I will show you. Take 2x now. What is the value of 2x here? 2n pi plus pi by 2. Take any n value. Put n equal to 0. What is 2x? Pi by 2. Tan won't define, no? N is taken as 1. What is 2x value? 2 pi plus pi by 2. Tan won't define, no? What is the meaning of that? Tan won't define for this angle. Means tan 2x, that is equal tan of 2n pi plus pi by 2 does not exist. Okay, x satisfies now. X equal to this, tan x define, but 2x won't define, tan 2x won't define. What is the meaning of that? There is no x satisfy the given equation. Therefore, no solution, or x belongs to pi, or another words I can say no solution. So important model, students. Okay. Okay, students, next question. Tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta equal to 0. So this is also important model, nana. Here also theta, 2 theta, 3 theta should not in the form of 2n plus 1 to pi by 2. I will write theta, 2 theta, 3 theta should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, yeah. This separate type problem, Nana. I want to group these two. So, tan 3 theta can be written as tan theta plus 2 theta. This is same as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Cross multiplication, tan 3 theta into 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta equal to tan theta plus tan 2 theta. Okay, students, say where is that? Okay, this is say 1, Nana. So now 1 becomes, so instead of this, what I can write? This I can write. What I can write? Tan 3 theta into 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta plus one more tan 3 theta is there equal to 0. Now I want to take tan 3 theta common. What is left with us? This 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0. So what this means that tan 3 theta equal to 0 or tan theta into tan 2 theta equal to 2. hope you people understood. Okay, not at all easy problem, Anna. This one also lengthy problem. Yeah, 3 theta equal to what, Nana? N pi. Theta equal to n pi by 3, where n belongs to z. All these values will satisfy. Or one more value I want to find. To solve this, what I am doing? Tan theta as it is, tan 2 theta formula, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta equal to 2, or k into 2k by 1 minus k square equal to 2. What I can do, Nana? I can cancel these two. K square equal to 1 minus k square, or 2k square equal to 1, or k square equal to 1 by 2. K means tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to 1 by 2. Listen, students. Tan square theta equal to 1 by root 2 whole square I can write. Tan square theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 2 whole square I can say. Okay. Or several ways you can solve the problem. Okay, I will write another way. Yeah, tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, where tan alpha equal to 1 by root 2. Means what the meaning of that? Alpha equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 2. Okay, what is theta, Nana? Theta n pi plus or minus alpha. Theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha means what I can write? Tan inverse of 1 by root 2, where n belongs, m I will write, because already we used n, I will write m. M belongs to z. So, solution, total solution is set bracket n pi by 3, n belongs to z, union m pi plus or minus tan inverse of 1 by root 2, m belongs to z. This is the solution of the problem. I hope you people understood. Okay, Nana? How I solved, that is important. Just instead of this, I wrote this. After that, I took tan 3 theta common. A into b equal 0, either a equal 0, b equal 0, this equal 0, one solution. This equal 0, I made all in terms of tans. Okay, after that I solved the problem. Yeah, next problem, students, 10th problem. Sin x plus cos x equal to 2 root 2 sin x into cos x. Divide through by root 2, 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. This is, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, this is what I can write, sin pi by 4 I can write into sin x. Cos also can write, but always I want to write cos of something, that's why. Cos pi by 4 into cos x equal to sin 2x. So, cos of a minus b, x minus pi by 4 equal to sin 2x. Again, cos of x minus pi by 4 equal to cos of pi by 2 minus 2x I can write. Now, directly I want to write general solution, x minus pi by 4 equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 minus 2x. Okay, I will rewrite in that next page. X minus pi by 4 equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 minus 2x. Okay, two things happens here also. These all are difficult problems. One is x minus pi by 4 equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus 2x. Another one is x minus pi by 4, or I will write, equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 plus 2x. Okay, Nana? So, send this x, 3x equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2 plus pi by 4. or 3x equal to 2n pi plus 4 LCM 3 pi by 4. I hope you people understood. 4 is taking LCM, Nana. Yeah, 2 pi plus 3 pi by 4. But I want x only. So x is equal, what I can say, 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 4. N belongs to z. Okay, here what happened? Minus x equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Or minus x equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4. Or x equal to minus 2n pi plus pi by 4. Or instead of minus n, I want to write another integer, Nana. X is equal to m pi, I will write, no problem, plus pi by 4, where m belongs to z. Now I want generalize. Solution of the problem. General solution is, so union of these two. One is 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 4, n belongs to z. Union 2m pi plus pi by 4, where m belongs to z. So this is the answer for the problem. This type of problems are difficult, Nana. You please practice all the problems, then only get ideas. Okay, our next problem. Cos 2 theta equal to sin 5 theta. Cos 2 theta equal to cos of pi by 2 minus 5 theta. Or in other words, I can say 2 theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 minus 5 theta. Okay, two cases will arise here. 2 theta equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus 5 theta. Or 2 theta equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 plus 5 theta, students. What I can say, 7 theta equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. Or theta equal to 2n pi by 7 plus pi by 14. N belongs to z. Or this is minus 3 theta equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. Okay, dividing throughout by minus theta, minus 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So instead of this minus n, I will write some integer m, Nana. Theta equal to, what I can say, 2m pi by 2, pi by 3 plus pi by 6, where m belongs to z. Now I want to write final solution. General solution equal to 2n pi by 7 plus pi by 14, n belongs to z. Union 2m pi by 3 plus pi by 6, where m belongs to z. So this is the answer for the problem, students. So this is not unique way, no? In several ways you can solve this type of problems. Okay, this is one of the way. Students, another important model. Theta 1 comma theta 2 are solutions of a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta equal to c. What is the meaning of this, Nana? Instead of theta, you can write theta 1, it satisfies. Instead of theta, you can write theta 2, it is also satisfies. And theta 1 not equal to tan theta 1 not equal to tan theta 2, and a plus c not equal to 0, then find tan theta 1 value, tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 value, tan theta into tan theta 2, something. What is the meaning of that? So the question saying that we need to convert all these in terms of tans. That's why what I can write, a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta equal to c. So instead of this cos 2 theta I can write 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus b into, instead of cos sin 2 theta, what 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to c. Now I want to simplify this. I will simplify next page. A times of 1 minus tan square theta plus 2b tan theta equal to c times of 1 plus tan square theta. I will show you, wait. What I did, just I multiplied, I took LCM nana, 2b, okay. So what happened, a minus a tan square theta plus 2b tan theta equal to c plus c tan square theta. So tan square theta is taken common, c plus a into tan square theta minus 2b tan theta plus c minus a equal to 0. Just what I did, I transferred all these terms to right hand side and simplified nana. Okay. So this is first second equation. So this is first equation, both are same, 1 and 2 are same. Theta 1 comma theta 2 are the roots of 1 and 2, both are same. What is the meaning of that? So instead of theta you write theta 1 here, c plus a tan square theta 1 minus 2b tan theta 1 plus c by a equal 0 means what is the meaning of that? This implies that tan theta 1 comma tan theta 2 are the roots of new equation. Instead of tan theta write x nana, c plus a into x square minus 2bx plus c minus a equal to 0. Very, very important step this one. See here, theta 1, theta 2 are the roots of this equation. Nana. Instead of theta, I wrote theta 1, what happened? C plus a tan square theta 1 minus 2b tan theta 1 plus c minus equal. Instead of theta, write theta 2, c plus a tan square theta 2 minus 2b tan theta 2 plus c means what happened? Instead of x, you write tan theta 1, we will get this equation. Instead of x, you write tan theta 2, we will get this equation. What is the meaning of that? Tan theta 1 and tan theta 2 are the equations of this equation. Okay. So I will write next page. So tan theta 1, tan theta 1 comma tan theta 2 are the roots of what? C plus a into x square minus 2bx plus c minus a equal to 0. Yeah, sum of the roots, that is equal tan theta or 1 minute, alpha plus beta, it is equal to actual minus b by a concept in ax square plus bx plus c. Alpha means tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 minus b minus x quotient minus 2b minus half minus plus 2b by c plus a. This is tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 value. Next tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 I want. Product of the roots, c by a minus c by a by c plus c. Okay, so I got two things, Nana. One is this, another is this. What do you want? I will show you. So these two completed. Next, tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 value I want. I will write next page. Tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to, according to the formula, tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. Substitutions, what I got? 2b by c plus a, this one, by 1 minus what I got? C minus a by c plus a. C plus a taken LCM, 2b by c plus a minus c plus a will get, that is 2b by c get cancelled, 2a, that is equal to b by a. So what is the meaning of that? Tan of theta 1 plus theta 2, what I got? B by a. So next tan theta 1 tan c minus a by c plus a. Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2b by c plus a. Okay.